polymath, and I specialize in helping schools to manage and intervene with difficult behavior, that behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer a question coming out of the high school. I send high schoolers down to the office when they act up in my class, and it doesn't seem to make a difference. So I wonder if I should just save the office for really higher level stuff so the kids know when they have truly gone too far. Absolutely. In some ways, you've answered your question, but let's make it a little bit more specific and consistent. We have a tiered system of behavior. Basically, kids behave because they're trying to learn where the limits are and what they can and can't do. And we address those in our classrooms on a regular basis. Those are my kind of tier 1 behaviors. It's called being a kid. My tier 2 behaviors push the system a little bit more. So despite my interventions and my managements, my kids are pushing the limits. Sometimes I need a little help with that, or I can handle that on my own. But when it comes to the absolutes, we really have to sit as a school and say, these are our tier 3s. When kids are engaged in things like fighting or very comments that are very derogatory towards one another and may result in future aggression, illegal activity, leaving the building, you're MIA, we can't find you for X amount of time. Those are the behaviors that we agree as a staff are automatic admin. Let's face it, admin needs to know about those because oftentimes they get calls about it later on from parents or others. And so we have to decide there is no wiggle room there. If you go this far and this is what you demonstrate, that will be an administration type of documentation, and you will have to be sent to that office where administration will be ready for you. What happens is if we bog down the office with some of the other stuff because it's annoying and it keeps happening over and over, and we really feel that the administration has some special power that they can change it for us, which oftentimes they don't, and it's frustrating for them and it's frustrating for us. But kids need to know when they've done this or that, it's an automatic. Absolutely. So have that discussion, decide as a school, and get consistent with it. And kids will know. Thanks for watching today. If you have comments about this subject, you can put those down below. And if you have questions that you might like to see answered in a future video, put that down below as well.